early 1970s townhouse. You can see there's no ventilation for the roof system. So I really don't know how they get any ventilation through this attic space, and I don't believe it ventilates at all. Honestly, I don't see any ventilation from here at the ridge, but first thing I look for is ventilation right here on the edge of the roof. So I'm checking underneath the shingles here, and I'm looking to see if there's more than one layer. This right here is the first course underneath it here. As I can see underneath the first course there is just the plywood sheathing, so there's only one layer of shingles. You can see this doesn't have any drip edge. Drip edge would help protect the edge of the roof here, but when we propose a new roof for this house, it will get a drip edge, and that's what we do as a best practice. This gutter is severely lacking in the number of ferrules that should be on here. As you can see, I'm kind of pressed in on it. It does have the old fasteners. If you can look back here, or even right in front of you, I don't know if you can grab that. A newer gutter system would have hidden hanger system that would actually keep this out and also secure it to the fascia. But I'm gonna get up on the roof. So this dish looks like it's still connected. So we will end up detaching and resetting this to the new roof. And once that's done and we're finished with our work, then they'll have to contact our service provider to make sure this is correctly realigned. So pipe collars are the most common leak issue that I come across on a roof. And as you can see here, this boot is it's done. I mean, it's starting to split and crack. That means water, when it's raining, could flow down into the house. You can see there's some other issues with the way this thing was sealed to the roof, that they ended up putting some tape on top of it. So obviously this is a leak point inside the house. Is that leak point here, or is it actually somewhere further up? It's hard to say. What I'm looking for in here is, we noticed on the outside the ventilation was very minimal, and I can see in here the evidence. There's rust on some of these nails, and I'm going to look down here on the floor. You can see these little circles. This is from the condensation that is dripping off of those nails. So, and that's really a challenge with the ventilation of this overall attic and roof system. You know, it was built a long time ago, and unfortunately, it wasn't designed to have a proper ventilation system. So I'm not sure what's happened here, but there could be some water coming in at the rake edge of the roof. But also this could be condensation that's forming over here in the corner, because that is the coldest point inside this roof area when it gets cold outside. Yeah, definitely we have a leak going on here. As we can see from the roof side, there's a plumbing vent collar right here, or pipe flashing, which has leaked in the past. And you can see how bad of a condition this sheathing is here. I mean, it's literally rotted. So that's gonna have to be replaced during the roof replacement. Probably part of that second sheet as well. As you can see, this house, it was lacking ventilation at the eave, but there's definitely no ventilation here at the ridge. So during a normal roof replacement, we would cut that ridge open and put a ridge vent on the outside.